This problem is from Biren Johnson, 11th edition, page number 63, problem number 2.77. Here the given data is this. There is a cable AB. This length of the cable is given as equal to 65 feet, and tension in this cable, that is the force exerted by this cable on the anchor B, TAB, tension in the cable is given, that is equal to 3900 lbs. So question is to find out the x, y and z components of this tension, that is the force exerted by the cable on the anchor at B. This problem is not complete. The figure is not up to the as shown in this book. We have to find, there is a anchor here at point B, so we have to find out the x, y, z components of this force exerted by the cable on the anchor at B, and also the angles made by this force, that is tension in the cable with respect to x, y and z axis respectively. Also here OA length is given, that is equal to 56 feet. There is a electric tower is there, and it is supported by cable. This is AB is one of the cable. There are other cables also, but in this problem they are not required, so I have shown only this portion of the figure. So we have to find out this x, y and z component. Since here these angles are given, somehow we need to find out the angles, and using those angles we need to find out the components. So here in the given data, this OA is given and AB is given. OA and AB is given, and also now we have this tension or the force exerted by the cable on the anchor. The direction will be, it is from B to A. Force exerted by the cable on the anchor here at point B. This anchor will try to pull this cable in this direction downward, and also at A this tower will try to pull this cable AB in the upward direction. Thereby this cable AB will be tight and it will be in tension. At the same time, as this anchor B is pulling this cable downward direction, this cable also exerts same force on the anchor but in the opposite direction. Here we are interested in the force exerted by the cable on the anchor, so it will be in this direction. So this is TAB, and here this OAB is a right angle triangle. This angle is 90. OB is in the xz plane and OA is vertical, so OAB is a right angle triangle. Let us say this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Then we know OA, we know AB. We can write sin theta. Sin theta from this right angle triangle equal to OA by AB. So from here we can get this substituting OA value, AB value, and we can get the value of theta. Once we know this theta value, now we can resolve this tension in the cable that is acting on the anchor at B into two components. Then one will be this, other will be in the along y direction. Then two components will be, that is here in this case one will be this component and other will be this component. Let us say this is going to act along y direction. It will become TABY, and this will become some TABH. So now TABH, that is going to act along OB, that is equal to, and this TAB is making an angle theta with this component. It will become cos component. That implies this is equal to TAB cos theta, and other will become TAB sin theta, that is TAB y. Again this TABH is making an angle 20 with this x-axis. We can resolve into two components. If we resolve into two components, there will be this one. Its two components are, one will be this acting along the direction positive z, and other will be this acting along and such that they are mutually perpendicular, and since this arrow is away with respect to this point, so both arrows must be away. So now then it will become, this is acting along the direction. We can say that this is this TABZ, and this will become TABX. Now from this, here we can write TABX is equal to, we are resolving TABH, so this is TABH into TABH into this angle is 20, so this angle also will become 20, because this is along, this is x-axis, this also along x-axis, and this is 20, this also will become 20. It will become TABH cos 20, and other will become, that is TABZ, that is equal to TABH sin 20. Substituting TABH value here, it will become TAB cos theta cos 20, and it is TAB cos theta and sin 20. Now we got TABX, TABZ, and also here we have TABY. Now finding this value and substituting here, we get this magnitudes of the components. So here the values are, so here after substituting the values for OA and AB, we get theta value equal to 59.49 degrees, and with this now TABH, this TAB will become TABY and TABH components. TABY is acting along positive y direction, so it will become plus TAB sin theta, and TABH is going to be in this direction, and it will become TABH is equal to TAB cos theta, because this angle is making angle theta here. And again here resolving again this TABH into two components, one will be this and other will be this, and since this arrow is away with respect to this point, both arrows also away. Now TABX equal to TABH cos 20, but this arrow is away, that is this direction. TABX is acting this direction. This is positive x, this is negative x, it will become minus. So here we will get minus, so this value will become minus 1860.58 lbs. Similarly TABZ is equal to TABH into sin 20, and it is acting along positive z axis, so it will become plus only. So plus TAB cos theta into sin 20 is equal to 677.19 lbs. And regarding these angles, if theta x is the angle made by this TAB with the x-axis, then we have cos theta x is equal to TABX by TAB. This is from the formula. We know TABX and we know TAB. Substituting here and solving, we get the value of cos theta x. Similarly, so theta x value. Similarly, here we have cos theta y, that is theta y is the angle made by this TAB with the y axis. Then cos theta y is equal to TAB y by TAB, and you will get theta by solving this equation. And then cos theta z is equal to TAB z by TAB. Solving, you will get theta z. So these values are, so here after substituting the values, TABX is equal to minus 1860.58 lb and TAB is equal to 3900 lb. Simplifying, we will get theta x equal to 118.49 degrees. Similarly, Substituting here TABY value equal to 3360, TAB value 3900, we get theta y is equal to 30.5, and TABZ value substituting here equal to 677.19, and for TAB 3900 we get theta z value equal to 80 degrees. So this completes the problem. Thank you.